Hello, welcome back to the workshop. Now, I did some time ago now do a video on removing or unsticking a stuck Dewalt keyless chuck. Quite a popular video. Viewer asks, Geoffrey Herman asks, what kind of preventative maintenance you need to do to stop that happening. Well, it's not preventative maintenance, it's more how you use the chuck. Now, that might not be a Dewalt, but the chuck works in roughly the same way. And the way you're supposed to do these things up is you put it in and you can give it a tighten like that, use it, and when you want to undo it, it comes out like that. The thing that gets your cam lock locked is, particularly when you've got that set right up there somewhere, is doing that until it's really stupidly tight. Now, I've not been caught out by that on a parkside drill. As you can see, that just comes out. But then again, I didn't have it turned all the way up. So the answer to how you prevent your keyless chuck jamming is, by all means, you can undo it like that, and you can even do it up like that, but don't do it up tight like that. Tighten it by just doing it by hand. That will stop you getting a bit stuck in your chuck, and that is the secret. It's not a particularly difficult thing. It's not a case of whether you need to oil these or not and put a magic oil down there. Probably no harm to putting some oil down there. In fact, it's probably a good idea to put something like a 3-in-1 down there. I've not had to do it before on these ones, which is what I use, the Parkside ones. But the answer is don't do them up tight on the trigger. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe.